Okay, so I'm gonna go over 2 key points that I want you guys to keep in mind if you want to lower a sport bike. Okay, so this is the rear wheel, and then let's call this the swing arm, front wheel, and the front shock tubes. All right, so here's the tank, seat, tail fairing, motor, header, motor somewhere around here, right? And then you got the rear shock, something like that. Up here is 2 clamps. There's a top triple and then like a lower triple, and that's what holds the shock in place. These are the 2 things I want you guys to keep in mind. So I'm marking them right here, and let's call this your starting wheelbase. Okay, and then from like here, somewhere in here is where the ground is, and then somewhere up here is the fairing or even the motor. Okay, so we'll call this the ground clearance. These are the 2 things that get affected the most when you're going to lower a motorcycle, because I'm going to show you guys what happens. Okay, so what you do is you loosen the top and lower triple, and you bring that shock tube up. Okay, so what that does is, here's the ground now. Same with the rear. You change like a link, and then this wheel goes up. So now that's the new ground clearance, and you just lost a good, couple inches of ground clearance. So GC2. So this is ground clearance number 2, and it's like this tall now versus this tall. And then your wheelbase, it actually moved back a few. So this will be wheelbase 2. And it's actually like back here now. Performance, you do lose a lot, mainly because your turn in. So let's call this turn in 1. So you have a higher GC, and then when you go from here to here, you have a lot more room to play with. Whereas here's turn in 2. So this is the first GC. Now we just lowered it. GC2. Now you have a shorter distance from here to here. So everything else from here on up gets affected going down. Does that make sense? Whereas like this was a taller bike, you have a lot more room to turn in, which makes for a tighter turn in the long run. Where this is, you lose a lot of that cornering ability. That's one of the main reasons you don't want to lower your motorcycle. If you're short like me, my suggestion is always to deal with the height or get a new bike. I bought this mic, the ECM CS3 by Sony. I use this ceramic mic, and it's just terrible in wind and high noise, but it's a great little vlogging mic. It's great for vlogging, terrible for motovlogging because of the noise. It makes this popping sound that's, I'm sure you guys have heard it in the videos. Went ahead and bought this, 20 bucks. We're gonna test it out on the 7 right now. I don't know why I just slowed down there. I was gonna make that right. I saw this red light. What's going on, fam? Yes, I hope this microphone is working, because if it's not, then I'm talking for nothing. I got it in race mode today, and I took off the engine braking because, man, the engine braking on this bike is ridiculous. It is ridiculous. I'll show you guys the difference in another video, but it pushes you like forward, and my nutsack gets crushed. I've been used to riding in sport mode with the street display. I just wanted to try race mode out, see what the difference is. Oh yeah!
just that little yank of the throttle, I can feel a huge difference between smart mode and full-on race mode, man. Yeah. Surprisingly, this bike is super linear compared to the R1. It's a beautiful day in the Pacific Northwest. It's been raining for the past couple days, to be honest. But today's a really nice day. Oh yeah, that engine braking is like way less obtrusive. That was cool. I love when people like look at my bike and they're like, they don't just stare. They're like, yo, what up? Cool bike, man. I love it, man. I love that. Makes me feel good, you know? It would make anybody feel good. Because I worked hard on this wrap. I worked hard on, you know, just making it my own in a way. And I really appreciate when people, you know, stop and look or they say what's up and they're like, yo, dope ass bike. Just throw hand signals, man. That's a huge confidence booster. Even though I know my bike is fly, but, you know, it's really cool that other people appreciate the work that I put into it. So very, very happy about that one. Thank you, Guy. I wish I had like somebody told me to carry around spam cards, which I should, man. I could just hand them out to people, dude. Fudge. There's Carl. Carl. Hey, Carl. What you doing, Carl? What's up, Carl?
How do you... I forgot how to connect it.
Connect what?
To my phone.
Oh, I don't know. You just press some buttons. Did you get a new phone? XS Max? It's such a good video, dude. Like for pictures, it's pretty cool too, but video is really amazing. It just needs a better mic. Trying to figure out his life here, guys. Is it pairing? Pairing. Pairing. We're rolling. I love this bike. I love how I can just touch the ground. I can tip it to both sides, dude. That's how I feel right now, guys. I feel great. Just like that air guy thing. I feel amazing. Ooh, front of the line, boy. Go, green. No, red. ¿Qué pasa, vato? Okay, dude. I'll see you later, Carl. Oh, look at that MR2. Oh, that's nice. Look at that, man. Very clean. I like the color. It's blue. Okay, so that's why we're here. There's a farmer's market. Oh, we gotta park in the garage. No. Carl's gonna attempt to push his bike backwards. You could do it, Carl. You could do it. I have faith. I believe in you. You got this. He doesn't got it. But it's gonna be funny. Watch him. The pressure's on, dudes. The pressure's on. Oh, wow, you're learning. Oh, he did it. He did it. Good job, Carl. Good job.
We're hoping the bikes will be alright. Do I have my key? Is that what you guys are asking? Because it's right here. Right, Carl? You have your key. Wow. He has the whole keychain. Alright, so I got a serious question to ask. Do you guys want me to daily vlog? Because it might not be about motorcycles all the time. That's the thing. That's the only thing about like daily vlogging motorcycles and shit. It doesn't work. It doesn't work because I can't talk about bikes all the time. We're the food truck, guys. Lemongrass Vietnamese cuisine. Bet. Let's go. We're Asian. We're gonna go get Asian food. Asians supporting Asians. Ah, dude, macaroons, man. You ever had these? These are good, bro. If you guys want to send me something, send me some macaroons. Hanging out with Carl is weird because he's so quiet. Guys, hey bro, yeah, you gotta try that, bro. Anyway, like I said, do you guys want me to daily vlog?
Who are you, Jazz?
Was that just sound like Jazz? No.
Oh, Vietnamese people here?
Vietnamese people, bro. Those are our people, bro. Jungle Asians. That looks delicious. Sandwich. Can you have some sriracha, bro?
Fuck no.
No? Yeah, my house got. Ooh. You like some fresh squeezed lemonade? Whoa. Alright, Carl's gonna stay here and look for his dream girl. He missed his chance, but there's a lot of other females walking around. So, peace out, Carlitos!